Welcome back, where today we're reviewing the Lowenstein Prisma Touch series, and this particular model is the Prisma20A. The Prisma20A is an automatic CPAP machine, whereas the Prisma20C is a fixed pressure, continuous pressure CPAP machine. This is one of the best CPAP machines available on the market and is designed and made with high standards of quality and precision engineering in Germany. All four components should fit into this cooler bag type of setup, and it's easily and mobile to carry with you anywhere you need to go. To get started, unzip the bag and bring out the console first. You may have a backing cover, however the next part that you need is this humidifier. Now be careful with the humidifier, as the warning label says do not fill past the 400ml line or do not tilt or transport once it's in place with the console, as it can damage the rest of the CPAP. The PSU power supply has a 100 to 240 volt watt connection, and you need to plug in the smaller end into the back of the device and the electrical plug into your wall outlet. When plugging the cord into the CPAP, pay close attention to aligning the pins correctly. The machine will turn on automatically and take you to the main screen where it will show the timer. This is the modem attachment to the side, which can be easily removed or added. You can opt to have this machine with or without a modem. With the modem allows you to have data transmitted to a cloud for your healthcare provider or even to your phone app, the Prisma app. Without the modem, you will not be able to do this on the Prisma20 series. The modem is easily added and removed to the side of the machine. With the humidifier, I recommend holding down the top and looping your fingers around the back to lift up the flap. You will hear a click which allows you to open up the lid and then now fill the tray with water. Simply pop the lid back onto the bottom of the tray and then you should hear 1 or 2 clicks once the seal is closed. The machine will display the time and it will have a function on the side when the humidifier is connected with a water droplet. The water droplet will allow you to change the humidity settings. Connect the tube into the front nozzle and you can plug in the power at the bottom for heated tube options. If your tube is not heated, you will not be able to plug this into the bottom, however the machine will still work. You will now be able to put your mask on and connect to the tubing to commence therapy. When the machine is on standby, it will display the time. To dim the lights so the screen is not showing, simply press the shade button. To change the humidity settings, you need to ensure the humidifier is connected to the console and the power is on. A water droplet will appear on the screen and you can press this on the touch screen to change the humidity settings. It is recommended to have the humidity on a higher setting in the winter and a lower setting in the summer. It is very subjective, so please change it to a comfort level that you prefer. To check statistics of how you slept, simply press the I for information and you'll be able to see into your night overview. You'll be able to check your leak, your AHI, and your usage. Simply touch into each section that you prefer to look at. Here we can see the usage time for 6 hours and 45 minutes, and the mask fit and the therapy quality was successful. You can also change periods to see data from 7, 14 days, 28 days, 3 months, a half a year to even a year. To change comfort settings, simply press the button at the bottom right corner and click into comfort. From here, you'll be able to change your auto start, auto stop, your soft start pressure, which is your ramp pressure that you start at, the ramp time, and then smart aqua control. You'll also be able to change your EPR setting. On the side is your serial number, which you'll be able to use to plug in to your app to connect the machine for viewing further and advanced data on the app, Prisma app. So enjoy the Prisma20A and please advise if it can help in any other way.